Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now a lot of iPhone users ask this question. They say that they have set the camera settings or changed the camera settings and they want to change the camera settings to default. If you go to the settings and then here tap on camera, you'll have the access to the settings of the camera that you're using on your iPhone. We are talking about the default camera app on iPhone. Now here is the point. If you have changed the settings for the camera on your iPhone, unfortunately, there is no one button that you can tap and change the settings to default on your iPhone. But there is a way to do it, and I'll show you how to do that. Now for this, you need to go to the settings and tap General here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now here we have Reset. If you tap on it, you can see a lot of options here. On top, we have Reset All Settings. If I tap on that one, this is the solution. Enter your passcode and you'll reset the camera settings on your iPhone to default. But you should know that when you do so, these are all the other settings that will be reset on your iPhone. Like your reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home screen layout, and location and privacy. But I guarantee that you're not going to lose the apps, the photos, files, and things like that. But there is no independent way to reset the camera settings on your iPhone to default. Now, what is the better way? If you know the default settings, or maybe check like a website or somewhere else, or maybe one of your friends who haven't changed the settings on their iPhone, you can go and ask them to see the settings, the default settings on the camera, and change them one by one manually. That will be much better, I believe, instead of doing the reset to the all, or we can say to all the settings on your iPhone. Because then you will need a lot of time to make the settings again to the way that you used it. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.